Hello everyone, this is Innovative from Market Warehouse, and in this video we will learn how to use the second technique that we called envelope strategy. So this is the envelope strategy. I will show you how to add this envelope strategy. Okay, and I hope you have imported the good 45 stocks from here to your trading view. So these are my good 45 stocks, and this we are going to add this strategy that is called envelope strategy. Okay. So I will show you how to use this envelope strategy. Let me back. Okay. So here I have added my good 45 stocks. Okay. And in this I will add my strategy called envelope strategy. Okay. So how to add this in how to use this envelope strategy? First of all, you need to add it. For example, I will go to indicator, click on envelope. I will type envelope. So here you can get envelope. I will do some setting. My days will be length will be 252 days. 252 days stock generally used to come down. Okay, and percentage will be 10 for close. Okay, fine. Okay, so this is the graph that has been created, and based on this graph I will tell you how to buy the stocks. I will just zoom out. In this strategy, you need to see here we have three band. Generally we work in flat band. Okay, you don't need, if the band is going upward, like a tree, it's going up, you don't need to buy stocks in that way. We just work in flat like that. If the flat is band, if the band is flat, we need to work in flat band. Okay, see the stocks. If the flat is band, then you need to work. If the flat is going in that way, like it's going in upward direction. For example, if it's going like that, if it's going this way, okay, in one way it's going like that, try to avoid that band. Okay, you don't need to put your money in that. So the flat is somewhat flat. Okay, the band is flat. So how to work, how to use invalid strategy? I hope you understand that. i in I have went to trading view. I will again show you one more time. I went to indicator. Okay, in indicator I have typed envel envelope. I will just click here. Once the envelope has been came, I just went to setting. In setting, the length I kept is 252. Okay, percentage 10 means I want a gain of 10%. The fine. Now see the band is flat. I'm just looking for a flat band. Okay, the flat is almost flat here. The band is almost flat here. Okay, I will avoid such flat. I will avoid such band which is going top. Okay, I will generally work in flat band. So here I can see a flat band in this strategy. So what I see here, what I will do now, I will buy. I will do backtest. Suppose I will buy here. If I'll buy here, then my target will be like in bulk strategy we have three bands. See, first, second, and third. So my target will be I can buy here in middle band or lower band, or if it is going more than 10% from this lower band also I can buy. You don't need to worry. These are great stocks with great valuation. So this stocks is going to give you good money, and your money will, the chances of money loss will be very less. Okay, so you just need to use your just 3% of your whole capital. Don't need to deploy all your money in one stocks for getting 10%. Just if you have 1 lakh capital, just use 3%, means 3,000. If you have 2 lakh capital, then 6,000. Okay, so I'm buying here. Suppose if the graphs will touch this middle one, I'll buy here. Okay, if I buy here, then my target will be I will sell here. Okay, 10% gain. Again, if it's touching this one, I will buy here and sell 10%. Okay, again it's touching here, I will buy here, and it's fallen 10%. Again I will buy. Okay, and again if falling 10%, again I will buy. Okay, I can buy three times. If I'm buying here, my target will be the I will sell my 10% here. Okay, I will sell here, or I can keep it for this target. Okay, so if I am buying here, I will sell here. Okay, if I am buying here, in this bottom one, I will sell in the middle one. If I'm buying in the middle one, I will sell in the top one. Okay, and if I'm buying, suppose if I'm buying here, I have sell at the top one. Again, uh, I bought here, it's fall down, again it's fall down. I can buy two times here, and my target will be I can sell either here in the middle one or in the top one. Again it's coming here, I will buy here, I will buy here, I will sell at top one. Okay, in that way you can make unlimited money. Suppose if I make a 10%, okay, 20%, 20%, 20%, 30%, 40%, 50%. So how much money you can make in just one stock? See, you can just go keep on going. Okay, I'll show you some other stock. Also, see, if 3M India, Astragen India, the same you can use it. Buy, buy, sell. You can just keep here buy. You can just buy here. See how the graph is. I'll just try to show you some flat graph because in flat I feel more good. See, if I buy here, I will sell here. Again, if I buy, I will sell here. Again, if I will buy, I will sell here. Suppose if I will buy here, I will sell here. Again, if I buy here, I will sell here. Okay. Again, if I will buy here, I will sell somewhat here. Okay. So again, it's for coming in that zone. Buy, sell. You can earn unlimited money. See, all are buying, buy, sell. Here also you can see. Here we have buy signal, buy. I will wait for 10%. I can every up to three times, and I will start selling when selling will come at top. Okay, I hope you understand this one. This is very nice technique, and you can make in short term good money. See, all a buy sell signal. You can earn unlimited money. Okay, you can earn unlimited money. Just need to check out every day in evening. Okay, where you can buy. See, if I buy here recently on the 19th March, I would have sell it here on April. In 2 months, just I can make money 10%. If I'll buy here, I will sell here. If I'll buy here, I can sell here. If I'll buy here, I will sell here. If I'll buy here, I will sell here. Again, if I'll buy here, I will sell here. So, see, Web of Science, Bosch Ltd, the same. In all the stocks, you'll given opportunity to buy and sell and gain a decent amount of money. Okay, gain a decent amount of money. See, if you buy here at this point, you can sell here at gain of 10%. Again, if you buy here, again you can sell here at gain of 10%. Just 1 or 2 days. Okay. Suppose if you buy here, you can sell gain of 10%. Again, if you sell at gain of 10%. So you can earn money here also. Now also here you can see we have a buying opportunity here. If I'll bought here somewhere, definitely I will sell here. So here we have an opportunity, we can buy. Okay, so you can just buy 10% and you can just wait. You don't need to, even if the stock is fallen by 50%, you don't need to worry. Just hold on, it will definitely give you a target. Just average for 3 times, don't do more than 3 times. Okay, and just hold on and don't buy more than 3% of your capital. That is the concept over here, and I hope you like this concept. Thank you very much. Have a nice day, and